What's up, guys? It's your girl Shakira, and today I am back with another video. Now, the good thing about being a small YouTuber is you can do whatever the hell you want. Ain't nobody watching, ain't nobody care. I'm just kidding. People do care. I am sick and tired of voiceovers. Like, I'm just sick and tired of voiceovers. I went from being so confident on camera doing my vlogs, because when I just started my YouTube channel, I was vlogging a lot. So I went from being, well, not really super confident because I was still a bit shy, and especially living in the Caribbean in St. Vincent, it's not something that a lot of people do. People still don't really know much about this whole YouTube thing. But I used to still pull out my camera and vlog. Didn't care how I looked, didn't care, what people thought. And when I started to do different content, like my hair content, I'm like worried about my audio, worried about this, worried about the lighting, worried about that. And the funny thing is, I was able to grow my channel from zero. I had no prior social media like following or anything like that. I was able to grow my channel from zero, being inconsistent as hell. I'm still inconsistent, but I was able to grow my channel from zero to where it is right now, and without having fancy lighting, without having mics and all of that stuff. And I'm here thinking to myself, why am I so obsessed on having proper equipment when I've been doing it without it, and I have been doing quite fine. I'm kind of sick and tired of doing voiceovers all the time. So what I've decided to do, like I said, the good thing about being a small YouTuber is you can basically do whatever you want, because people are not really expecting a lot from you. You don't really have a big following. A lot of people are not watching. So this is the time you get to do a lot of trial and error, testing what you like, what you don't like, what works, what doesn't work. But no, I'm actually editing the video that you're about to see. And while I was here sitting editing, it's a Sunday and it's very quiet. Instead of just doing a voiceover, you guys are not getting to see me, not getting to see my facial reactions, not getting to see my feelings and, vibe with me. I decided to just come on camera. I'm using my front camera on my phone and do my voiceovers this way, because I use my phone actually to record my voiceovers. This is how I record my voiceovers, with my mic, well, my mic from my headphone and my phone. And so I decided to just show my face, do my voiceovers while you guys are watching me. And this intro might be super long because I'm explaining to you guys the direction for this video, because it's the first time I'm doing a video like this on my channel. So I'll make sure to put timestamps so that you guys could probably skip the intro if you don't care about what I'm saying right now. If you care, then okay. So I'm going to just cue my intro, and then we'll just jump right into this very cute cornrow hairstyle. All right. Okay, guys, so this is going to be a corner hairstyle. Like I probably mentioned before, I'm going to be making 3 cornrows, one a small one down in the middle of my head, and then I'm going to have one on both sides of my head. I'm using a white tooth comb because I don't want to cause any damage, any breakage to my hair. And I'm parting out the middle section first to get that out of the way. The section that I'm not working on, I'm just gonna put it away in hair ties, or we say pom-poms. So my hair doesn't shrink, one, and so that it does not get in the way of the section that I already parted out. Now I'm just detangling the section to make it a lot easier for me to cornrow. And as you can see, I'm just cornering this section, and I actually have a video up with me teaching you guys how to cornrow. So I will link it in the card so that you guys can probably check it out if you do not know how to cornrow. So yes, guys, I'm just cornering this section, and I might fast forward it just so that this video is not unnecessarily long. And this is the first time I'm doing a voiceover while recording myself, so I'm not sure how this is going to go, but like I said, we're just trying. Oh my gosh, my makeup looks so horrible. I look so horrible. My boyfriend hate this hat. He absolutely hate it because it's a very old hat. But I like it. And I'm cornrowing my hair straight down to the end because this is a protective hairstyle. So we're gonna cornrow our hair and we're gonna cornrow down to the end of our hair. So now that I'm finished with my center cornrow, and I usually part my hair straighter than that. I don't know why Papa Paul was feeling a bit lazy or trying to beat the sun. You guys know I like my pigtails that I call them, my side pigtails. So I'm just making sure I leave that part out, and I'm just two-strand twisting it just to keep it out of the way. Now I'm just detangling my hair with my wide teeth comb. Alright, so what I just did, I parted that section into two sections to make it a lot easier for me to cornrow. So I'm cornrowing the front section first, and then when I reach to where I parted it out, I'm gonna loose the back, the rest, and then join it into that one cornrow. And like I said, my hair is not really stretched. My hair is not as stretched as I like it to be when I'm styling my hair. So I had to part it in two sections to make it a lot easier because I like my braid to be very neat, and you will see how neat my braiding is at the end of the video. And you can see with this second cornrow, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm separating my hair just to make it a lot easier for me to cornrow. And then I'm gonna start with, the front portion, taking my time because we want the cornrow to look very neat. Yes guys, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. And on that side as well, I left out my little pigtail because we're gonna gel it up and make it look cute when we're finished. So yes guys, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and also make sure you turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. Okay guys, so I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel. People always ask me what type of gel I use, and this is the gel I use. You guys will see it in almost all of my videos. This is the only gel thus far that really that my hair actually likes. I tried the Gorilla Snap. I didn't like it. That thing leaves a lot of stuff in your hair. I don't experience flaking with this gel. This in particular, the olive oil. So this gel, until I find something that works, I'll be using this. I'll just be using this. So someone asked me what I do with the middle braid, and this is exactly what I do. I just pin it and try to hide it in between the braids. So two braids are going to be on one side and one is going to be on the other side, but it doesn't matter because the middle braid is very small, so it won't really make it off balance, if that makes any sense. And then I just use my bobby pins to pin my hair away. I think that was a question or a comment on my TikTok account. Okay guys, so now that I'm finished creating my 3 cornrows, I'm gonna go in with my gold strings. So I'm just gonna go in with that and wrap it around my middle cornrow. I think it really made this hairstyle look really good. So I'm using a crochet needle to thread it through my hair. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Like I said before, make sure you are subscribed and make sure your bell is turned on to be notified every time I upload a video. Comment down below and let me know what kind of hairstyles you would like to see, or what kind of video content you would like to see me do here on this channel. Also comment and let me know where did you guys or how did you guys find my channel and what you think. I know some of you guys are here from TikTok. I said that in one of my video already, but I just hit 50K and I'm very excited and I'm very appreciative of you guys. So thank you guys so much for joining me in this video, watching, subscribing. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you like and comment and share. Thank you guys again for joining me. I love you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.